Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Monday, December the 30th, we have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. I see here in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. I see there 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. One box is left for the 4, that is this one. Then let's see, an 8 in this row, an 8 in the last row. So in that row, the only place for an 8 should be here. So in this big square, we have now 4 missing numbers, and one of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8 now, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. The only box left for the 8 should be this one. Then we go to the 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 7 should be here. Then a 1 in this row, a 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 1 should be here. Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here a 9, so no 9 in this box. I see there a 9, so no 9 in that box. The only 2 places for a 9 should be here or there. So in the first column, we have a 9 here. In the second column, we have a 9 in one of these 2 boxes. So in the third column, the only 2 places for a 9 should be here or there. But I see here a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for a 9 is here, here or there. But I see here a 9, no 9 there. I see there a 9, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. Then in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here a 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. That means the 9 could be here or could be there, but I see there a 9, so no 9 there. The 9 should be here. Then a 5 in the third column, a 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 5 should be there. Then in the last row, we have 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 3, and 4. I see here 4, so no 4 there. I see there 4, so no 4 here. Only place for the 4 should be here. So we have now a pair, the 2 and the 3, the 2 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. that means these two numbers of this big square are the numbers 5 and 6. 5 and 6. We have a 6 there. So no 6 here. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1. In these two boxes, I see there a 1, so no 1. In these two boxes, one box is left for the 1, should be this one. 2 numbers missing in this column. The numbers are 2 and 3. I see here 3, so no 3 there. So the 3 should be there, and the 2 goes here. Then 7, yes. In this row, the second row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in this box. I see there a 7, so no 7 in that box. We go over there, we have 7 here, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here or could be there. I see here a 7, so no 7 here. Only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 3 places for a 7 is here, here or there. I see here 7, so no 7 there. I see there 7, so no 7 here. Only place for the 7 should be here. Then a 1 in this row, a 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for a 1 should be here. 2 numbers are missing in this big square. The numbers are 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then what can we do? Yes, a 1 in this row column, a 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for a 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then I continue with the second row. The 3 numbers. The missing numbers are 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, and 8. 2, 3, and 8. I see here 3, so no 3 there. I see here 3, so no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be here. 2 and 8 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. Yes. These two numbers, missing numbers of this big square, are the numbers 2 and 4. So we have a 4 in the second column. We have a 4 in the third column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be here. Yes. One missing number in this first column for the number 8. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. Now we have an 8 there. So I remember the second row, the missing numbers are 2 and 8. 2 and 8. So I cannot put the 8 here. The 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in this column, the only two places for 2 is here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. One missing number in this column for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6. One number left in this column for the number 3. 3, yes, 3 is missing here. Then two numbers missing in this big square. The numbers are 3 and 9. 3 and 9, I see here a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One missing number in this row for the number 4. Then two missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for a 3 is here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers of this big square. The numbers are 2, 4, and 6. I see here 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. One box is left for the 4, should be this one. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One box is left for this row for the number 2. One box left for this big square for the number 4. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Two missing numbers of this column for the numbers 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Two missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 7 and 5. We have a 7 here, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 5 goes here. And the last two numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we finish this in 14 minutes. Alright people, if you like this Sudoku Medium, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel, and you can also download the PDF file if you want to solve this by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the last day of 2019. Thank you again, and bye bye.